became a program
Okay.
in our lives.
Right.
We can see the weather.
Yeah.
The weather now, it's favorable.
All right.
The weather is very good.
Right.
Some of us, we say it's bad. No, it's not bad. It's very good.
Did it
So
happen?
the water is not that watery this morning in Suba.
Yeah.
You see. Yeah.
And we hope to see you, especially to Amenatabe, Vio,
John Kumar.
John Kumar,
Right.
and the family joining this morning.
Melne the level tuning all the way from Australia, and John Kumar from Brara Valley Road in Singatoka. Thank you so much for tuning in this morning.
Seba Ngerengere Tambua Senior and the family joining this morning from Vitamani Malangerengere,
Yeah.
Chichiwa,
Right.
Thomas Ichone Musuka K Junior,
Okay.
and not forgetting Fifi,
Yeah.
Lemeki Rosau Ratu, Ulimatai Road, my Budi South,
Right.
my Nusuri,
Yeah.
Tira Tako, and Bulimbako Tongango, Seven Ngerengere Tambua Senior.
Andra.
Let's do Mengona Terre Mengunisa Levu.
Oh, they.
Oh, Senior.
Right.
Mangunuti. Gang ni tangi lamba, squad ngani tangi lamba ngo mbo oni ulun ni banua.
Alright.
Mount Rua Pehu, Rotera Forest, Osea, Sebutia Rexo Bill Isoa Colini,
Alright.
Waisia Felipe Copalet, kene Ndaunindola mata-mata.
Right.
O Akilio,
Yeah.
Ratusila kena kenan raibo masimai nakorotiki.
Right.
Não boleh binaka, binabali usara sema boli mai. Ena mataka ni kuwa.
Okay, this past weekend we enjoy the Valentine's Day. And do you spend your Valentine's Day weekend?
Myself, I was in the heavy sevens.
Valentine's Day.
Yeah. Valentine's Day.
The weekend.
Yeah. Valentine's Day with these two.
Yeah.
Okay. Tell us about
Your Valentine's Day.
the hotel.
Why mon apartment?
No.
The hotel where you spend the night of the Valentine's Day.
Oh, he was there at the hotel on that day.
Yeah.
He was doing on Cebu Cebu from Lase Lase.
Selim Street.
No, the Lase Lase.
Yeah.
Together with Ju from Cokes.
Right.
From the fella from Oivu.
Yeah.
The gang from... Did you go that grog session from there after that? We come back home, sleep. No Valentine, eh?
Home
Because
In the hotel.
the hotel.
Oh, in the hotel.
Yeah.
All right.
Very special, eh? You very special.
I don't know the special because nagagabia people runners korto di wati ko na heavya. They pay everything. We don't know. We just go and sleep.
But the gang from Lolombu said, the kid said, the dead never call us.
You.
Who's?
The dead.
The dead call. The mama off.
You never call say Happy Valentine's.
I never come there.
Because one photo,
Yeah.
you sent Tutu's photo,
Yeah.
and Tutu yesterday show us another photo.
Another photo.
Yeah.
So we put them together.
You two same together.
Photo together.
Photo together.
One Photoshop.
One photo. Yeah.
So you to spend your Valentine's where?
Pala nga. Tu sarang pala. Marutak tu nga na Valentine's Day. Adi ochi siguro bol radio day.
Yeah.
Ada sinalo tuloy para buka kay Rio. Marutak tu Valentine's Day. Pumutin ni Valentine's yang awal nga ni kuya ikondomona.
Di Lasar.
Sa satu kadibido mo siya, kadibido mo.
Yeah.
Dogo yung ikolaman na rin
Right.
na nambu.
Right.
Numitok ka di po kaya ng Valentine.
Yeah.
And nabu ni Valentine's Day. Anyway, dapat tutuko no karo? Kuchinay?
Babrebab.
Ha?
Babrebab sedam.
Babre bad kuchinay.
Yeah.
Right.
Ya benar nanti talan no naman ko. Our story.
What the story?
Sabo.
Sa.
Gori.
Okay.
This fella,
Yeah.
when the fella come back now from Nahebia,
Yeah.
spending a few nights with Tutu in one hotel, in one room,
Yeah.
everything gone missing.
Iya.
Yeah, the battery is low battery, all of a sudden. I don't know what happened.
Gori, talan
Okay, this is a story about Mikael and Galombula.
Hey.
Alright. Don't run away. This is the story.
Don't point fingers, boy. Don't point fingers.
Sana madalaman tadi ko ano naman sa nabi nakatalitan mo.
So, tarongot siguro na day Mika.
Iya.
Bordo ba nabali, hardo ba lasa kina.
Iya.
Iya. Ayan do na so na day mana?
Yeah.
Iya.
So na day mana?
Alright. Okay.
Yeah.
Who will describe him or I'll describe his name?
You describe. You
Okay,
describe.
right.
go.
Mika.
Yeah. You describe in your conman way.
The name Mikael was everybody.
Yeah.
Now we don't know that our name was named
Like a name.
a name.
Right.
But that name we don't know
Yeah.
that was something.
A name.
A name.
In a name.
In a name.
Right. Carry on.
Nalanda imbuli tu, imbali tu. It has a meaning.
Right.
We name anything
Yeah.
after a meaning name.
Right.
So if you coming,
Yeah.
some of us we don't know. Some are like this. Hey, your name is a word.
Yeah.
Word is alive.
Right.
Yeah, Dina.
Mbula tu na yada.
Yeah.
Some of us, our name is mana.
Yeah.
Right.
Mana tu na yada.
Yeah.
So some of us we change our name because we see our name.
Yeah.
Like we see our name is not correct.
Yeah.
Like we face difficulties in our everyday life because some of our name is na yada pakai mana
Don't
tu.
you start another berada.
Yeah.
You're getting the ramati.
Right.
Like that.
It's like that.
Yeah.
Some of us we are named. We're giving our name from the Bible.
Yeah.
Right.
Because the blessing, the concept,
Yeah.
Yeah.
blessing, it's a given.
Yeah.
Your name is grace.
Yeah.
Your name is faith.
Right.
Your name is Abraham.
Yeah.
Your name is believer.
Right.
Yeah.
It's like that,
Yeah.
The way we.
Your name in the Bible or no?
My name is Messi.
Oh,
Have Messi.
Messi the soccer.
That Messi is so kongora padurpolo.
Okay. Kenda sa okay. Right. Kento sirkila, kento kapito ni tama-tama tango.
Yeah.
May wala kento na tango
Yeah.
Sit down.
Right. Some of us, because the name too we carry,
Yeah.
it's symbolized
Yeah.
where our root come from.
Right.
Rutko.
Root crop ko na namundalo. So it's like that. So Michele,
Yeah.
the only story I had, he was named according.
So Mika's name is just one word or Mika and Ele. Mika Ele. Like myself,
Okay.
Atu Naisa.
One word.
Iyo, may ba daw.
Yeah,
So
Mika.
you de
Yeah.
Messi.
There,
Yeah.
Messi.
Yeah.
Right, Mika. If you separate the name,
Yeah.
Mika is good. At the back,
What? That's a one.
Consequences.
that's a magic word. So the Mika was
Ati
named.
sana katukul siko dem.
Yeah.
Kaya sana na yata.
Yeah.
It has
So-
a history.
So Michele was named according to there was a trip to the sea.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is what I heard because what I heard from Michele was named according to they was together.
Yeah.
So the fella if I'm true kebakala you correct me.
Yeah.
He was together with some people from Yadata.
Atukul siko Joseph.
Yeah.
Mika comes from the word Mike.
No, different. Yeah.
100% correct for 3 points. Mika and Mike kawan.
You want to billing,
So
You want to billing your Valentine.
So from there,
Yeah.
they was together with this family from Yadata.
Okay.
So they are like a family, they related.
Yeah.
So one day they crossed the ocean in the sea.
Yeah.
So the boat was capsized.
Yeah.
Oi.
So the boat they was capsized,
Yeah.
and they was there in the sea.
Yeah.
They need help. They need something to carry them from the sea to the land
To help them.
to help them.
Yeah.
So but nothing. So there is that time this one was being sa kunin taki volikina.
Yeah.
Mika was pregnant.
Yeah.
When Mika was pregnant,
Yeah.
I'm not pregnant.
Bangor sa kunin taki volikina Mika.
Yeah.
When Mika was pregnant,
Yeah.
so they asking if sangkaing galo.
Yeah.
They was called these women.
Yeah, that's the lady, my auntie.
Yeah, the auntie
Yeah.
was trying his very best to come to the land,
Right.
Right.
and the one was alive.
Yeah.
Oi.
Yeah.
Saking kalong pulang mo ka.
Galumbulo mo ko. So that time this one was pregnant.
Yeah.
If this one birth,
Yeah.
if a male, name to the male to Mister.
Yeah.
If
Husband.
Yeah.
If this one born is a female,
Both names there,
both names there.
Oi.
Yeah.
So they.
So my auntie is Maria.
Iyo.
She from Delasui. She was a nurse
Iyo.
in Avata.
Right. Kau tukun sila.
Right, carry on.
And when she one time they went to Avata to distribute the medicine and all,
Iyo.
and the boat capsized.
Iyo.
So she married to Wally from Avata.
Iyo. Ano ba kaya data isa?
Yeah, that was in 1985.
1985.
Yeah, in May.
Iyo.
And then when the boat capsized, She was the only one that swam to the shore
Iyo.
in Bonombalau.
Oi!
Yeah. And then, no, not Bonombalau. This is the one island that bought by, who's that actor?
Darmen.
Darman do real like Mel Gibson.
Oi!
Iyo.
Not a private island.
In a proper island.
Right.
The fellow about that island, that's where they swim. And then from there,
Iyo.
transferred to Suva, CWM.
Right.
And then my auntie was transferred to Suva to CWM.
Yeah.
And then she asked a family member, hey,
Yeah.
anyone in the village is pregnant?
Yeah.
And they said, no, only my mom in my village.
Iyo.
Oh, if he was born, if it's the baby
Boy or
born,
girl?
boy or girl, if
Yeah.
the boy,
Yeah.
we call him Mikaele, Maria Ngalombola me waswasa, Wuliti Wurawura.
Oi!
Eyo.
Who is Waliti Wurawura?
Wuliti Wurawura is the, what you call, the boo from there, the Kuanga.
Oi!
They call him there, the Wuliti Wurawura, any other. That's the
Sajina.
husband's name. If I was born girl,
Yeah.
Maria comes first.
Oi!
Maria Mikaele Ngalombola me waswasa, Wuliti Wurawura.
Mango, the name of the island is Mango.
Mango, right?
Yeah.
That's Alan Mango.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Mango
Mango.
le besar Selina.
Yeah.
Sajina.
And then I was born. I was
Yeah.
a male, so my name was Mikael Maria Ngalombola me was a Buliti Burubura. And the man of that Buliti Burubura,
Iyo.
Salang Baby. When
Sechi.
I'm in the village. So
Wala
like,
tu putak mikir.
yeah, to put the
Eh, talon sino.
this is a true story.
Iyo, iyo.
I already told them in the Nandangamudengu.
Oi.
Iyo. And when I was small kid in the village, when when
Villages.
I cry,
Yeah.
the sack comes like this in the shore. In the, you know my village,
Yeah.
beside the shore.
The Kunuku.
Yeah. The sack comes like this. And then they try it because hey, the people they come from.
At first they didn't know.
Yeah, they didn't know,
Yeah.
and then they told the family, my father,
Yeah.
and my dad about the name. That is very, very mana.
Iyo.
And then like this, okay, test manda. So
Oh, you're too.
yeah, myself small, eh?
Iyo.
And when the women want to go to the sea,
Iyo.
myself just go and touch the net.
Non
Full man pack the fish.
Sajina.
And this name was taken away from me.
Oi.
Because it's like whatever, right? Napakasama ng una eh.
Baka sama naman eh.
Ayo.
Well, this was just 19 something.
Ayo, 1985.
1985.
Ayo. So then my dad said, oh, put the Buliti Burubur away. But myself, I want the Buliti Burubur to come back.
Iyo kaya ba melis tele mai Mika?
I kill you.
Kaya muni nangon ni na lega kinangon ni sabading kino net sinimbulu. Iyo.
This is a true story.
Ona kamay.
Yeah.
Ona kamo na kami mix mata ni simento mbiutu mongkarabi.
Yeah.
My statue.
Yeah. That's
Well,
the
mulai.
that's right.
Okay, the conclusion of the Talano.
The conclusion of that talno, if you see this one in a Gorogo session,
Yeah.
Grow what?
in a Gorogo session,
Yeah.
never see him through Mika, see him as a devil.
Right now in my birth certificate, that's my name.
Oi.
Mikaele Maria Ngalombola me wasas. The Buliti Burubura omitted.
Oi.
That's why they use in the Cocomelon baby shark. Hey, we celebrating 90 years. We have Punjas Village India. Everybody in the national park of the swimming pool.
Yeah, true Saranga, that's Mango Island. That's the
Mango, eh?
If you go to the YouTube,
Yeah.
for those who are watching, if you go to the YouTube, you type there Buliti Burubura. You will hear the song, the singing ring.
Iyo.
That's the song about the trip.
Oi.
Yeah. About my namesake.
Right.
Yeah. My namesake passed away, both of them. Even last year,
Yeah.
the Mabolichi Tuvoli, my Tatalina from Mother passed away. He passed away in Suma, and they cremate the Kamanangwana.
Yeah.
They took it to
Cremate.
Yeah, cremate. I think they took it to Tabiuni. He want to go and bury in
In the sea?
No,
Oi.
beside his parents.
Yeah.
His parents buried in Tabiuni.
Iya.
When they leave Suma, the sack beside the ship last year.
Oi.
Iya. Bakit do Tabiuni? Yan ang man niya there. Kau tunci ko, nak kata melis tele miu.
Iya.
But ni nak kata mo pamati son
Boy.
tamat mango.
Wah, usah kere saranga.
Kita na may namarasani ma.
Right.
Ya usah tu tak ada talo. Kita ko ya na ya ta. Tu na kani balle tu na kena mana na bikai so muri tu mai. Kita kami sul tu ngabi kita mo na minta may bangata.
Bangata.
Bangata na ya ta. So sama itu ko sa kadi itu na darwa dadawli na nickname.
Nickname.
Eh.
Iya.
Santa maror na data.
Tanda iyo.
Faktis kir tu
Right.
na history.
Right.
Os ngi os ngamin.
Udah terang ngomong ana lamin ko. Rekila na bunungan ko sarmati.
Iyo.
Karena bunungan rata pat mikir ton bunungan
Kembala sara kusimoy rebisi.
Kusima, nirang kay bang way, gudi do mo to. Kami tarna law, do tarna law.
Kasi madala me andurin tono na pati me bindingin-dingi.
Oh, tamani.
Woso kalau na kila
Iya.
ina dunrungan lang kana koro.
Oh, Gekau tani ngana, bala tani sari
Eh.
mana-mana. Tukun suka kasana maning kasih mai.
Anda bilang kamoy.
Paling ke una. Ojor kamoy.
Iyo kamoy en malam melo mai buna.
Oi.
Kamoy iyo namba tulu.
Tukun nang kasih kuak bita ni ka pakan ni nang kasih mai na paling ke kuna.
Oh.
Basta gekau tani.
Okay, Demasi, what do you think?
Ha?
Should make a reinstate na service?
Sana biu tadi nga nabuli turo-turo sana biu ni kinarandua.
Biar guys, takan cuy kono menurut Valentine. Pambol juga ni kem na sem cik mai na TikTok account no tusai wo semana.
Yeah.
Na balim sarna sema tu mai. Double tap guys.
Dono mo brak. Kaya kada saya coach kan itu tuku. Ya ada brak better care, ada brak brother Skelly. Rogada like, heart brak share. Meda bana sigre mataka sema cuma salika kamburak ngo. Kurmundo.
Oh, mi ka galo mula.
Ndemis.
Ni ngata